Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham, and today I'm going to show you around this 67 plate Mini Cooper Countryman. Now this is the first of the new shape, so a larger car than the previous, and finished in the black metallic paintwork and riding on the 18-inch, wait for it, £1,250 optional extra alloy wheels. Now the car itself, as I say, is a deep black pearl essence paintwork in lovely order. Car is in super condition with the must-have satellite navigation. Later model, so it's got the larger headlamps, different front bumper. Quite a large car these now. Very nice though to drive and own. Now this one has got the factory optional upgrade of the 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, and they're all in great order, riding on super tyres. The paintwork and the finish of the paintwork is in great condition. Very nice mileage on this car, complemented with a mixture of service history at the Mini dealership and then at the local garage. Looking down the sides of the car, with it being in the deep black paintwork, it is in super shiny and wonderful order. As I say, all the wheels are in great condition. It looks like those two front tyres are very, very recent. Still got the marks from when they were new. But looking down the side, we're free from any parking knock or trolley dent. It really does ping off the forecourt in this colour. Showing you all the wheels so you can see just how easy and how careful the last keeper has been with the car. The Cooper has then the slightly fatter side skirt down the bottom, and then as we come round to the rear we get the more sculpted rear bumper with parking sensors. This one's got the Countryman insignia on there, and then the Cooper badge also. When I open the boot we get a really, really large spacious boot, and this one still has the tyre inflation device and the parcel shelf. So a huge boot really there, capable of carrying everything any family needs really. Got the roof bars as well, so from every angle really, really nice. Again, looking down the driver's side, it's free from any trolley dent or parking mark, and all the wheels, as I've shown you there now, are in fantastic order. When we detail it in our workshop, they'll remove the wheels, we wash them inside and out so they look absolutely as new when you come to collect it. We'll get the car looking as best we can and present them to the highest of standards. Now, this car's got two keys, I've got them in my pocket. It's a keyless start these, so you just press the button. Opening the internal, you'll see the Firework cloth interior, which is in nice condition. Throughout, it is a lovely, lovely motor car. Nice, easy to read dashboard. But standard specification, we've got the 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. We then get the aluminium mini tread plate, full set of lights on the right. Then we've got automatic wipers. Dip the clutch, just press the button in the binner, and the car starts up there now. Shut the door. Nice and warm. It's a bit chilly in Wigan today. I don't know if it is in your neck of the woods, but we've got 27,342 miles. No warning lights on the dashboard there. Coming through to the centre, we've got the controls, air conditioning, and then we've got auxiliary USB. We've got the system listed down at the bottom there, and then electronic handbrake on and off. 6-speed manual transmission, and then I was just picturing the service documentation. So Minis are serviced there on demand. So 2nd of November 19 was 13,169. Now if you're a Mini dealer, you'll put the service history on that screen there. I'm under service history. As I click down, brake fluid change, so that's 323. Engine oil, that is 1024 or 13,000 miles, and then vehicle check is 1026 or in 26,000 miles. We'll obviously pre-delivery inspect it and then give you the documentation for that. If I press that, it'll show you what it had on it. So it was an engine oil and a micro filter. There are then the book packs in the glove box. After the Mini dealer, it has been a local garage, so they've just got the receipts. I've pictured those as well, and I've listed the receipts in the information. We've then got the satellite navigation screen. Everything comes within that screen there. and then you can click the menu. So if you want radio, DAB radios there, you can put the radio, just flick it round. Multimedia, which is you streaming off your phone and stuff like that. Bluetooth, straightforward, that's your phone. And then obviously you can answer that on the steering wheel here. This one's got cruise control and speed limiter as well as having this lovely leather steering wheel. Very nice in the hand. But a very easy to read screen, nice grey detail throughout, chrome. We've got the lighting system as well that everybody else has. It got the blue lights and stuff. Yeah, you can change all of those, but with class as ambient lighting, we can change in a variety of ways on their vehicle info. So you can see the screen changing different colours. We can do that depending whether your settings, connected, home. So you've got everything there. Wonderful, wonderful vehicles. Very nice to own and drive. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker as well. All the interior is a lovely order. Everything about it is what you would expect from a low mileage, nicely cared for motor car. Nothing that would detract or distract from buying the vehicle. Inside everything's bang on, and in the rear again, everything is in lovely order. Still got the chrome detailing throughout, 3 seats there that'll fit an adult in with ease. Literally a 90-degree opening back door there if you do have younger children. It's easy. It's still got the plastic on them there, look at that. Still got the plastic on from new, not taking it off. I'll peel that off, so that's as new. 4 electric windows, everything you'd want. So, very, very nice car with satellite navigation, parking sensors, cruise control, Bluetooth, documented history, lovely upgrade wheels. A very, very nice car for the price that this is on. Modern looking car. Put a private reg on and you'd probably think somebody bought a brand new one. So if you'd like to reserve this with us, we do the reserve and collect. So £250 reserves it online. Give me a call, I'll take that over the phone on a credit card. That is fully refundable. It's when you get to Wigan, this isn't for you. You find something that I've not described, but we present them to the highest of standards. It looks like it's just had a couple of tyres. Service history is all there for it. We've got 2 keys, a full book pack. So everything that was there when it was new is still available today, which is ideal, isn't it? Wonderful. So I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, give us a call, we'll give you a price on that also. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.